enjoy our food tonight. And see you next time.
Enjoy a piece of that. Yes. Enjoy.
I'm representing from Indonesian Society, and I would like to ask about your comment. How was the activity? How was
We did something like this, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All of us.
Yeah, we are
Oh,
covered.
already, Mas. Yeah. Okay. So, how's your comment about Indonesian festival?
Very, very nice.
Yeah. And how's the food? How's the food? Mat?
This was very, very good.
Yeah. Was it spicy? Spicy? Spicy and chili.
It was very good.
Yeah. Okay. And the dance? How's the dance? Very good. Sempurna. Okay.
Left side, left right.
And to Tilhoire and to Tilhoire. So they are Finn. So thank you on the person only that one. Okay? Yeah. Hi. What's your name?
Noriko.
And where are you coming from?
I'm from Japan.
Okay, so thank you very much for coming to our activity, Indonesian Cultural Day.
Oh, thank you, because I enjoyed very much.
And we would like to know about your comment. How was the activity? The dance, the songs, the food, the situation. What do you think about that?
Oh, everything is wonderful. I enjoyed music and dancing. I'm so happy to see people dancing. I guess they are students, right?
Okay.
So I think if they dance, they sing pretty well.
Yeah. Do you think it is a good way to inform people about Indonesia? Do you think this kind of activity is a good way so that people know about
Yes,
Indonesia?
and this is very well organized. I'm very impressed.
Yeah, thank you.
Probably you guys put a lot of effort in preparation.
I think we do. I think we do. Yeah. So basically, you like about this kind of activity.
Yeah, then I can learn a lot about Indonesia.
Yeah. That's really nice. So once again, thank you very much for coming to our activity.
Thank you.
So enjoy the rest of the time. Yeah. Thank you. Hello, my name is Benita. So thank you very much for coming to our activity today. What's your name?
My name is Svante Spinnebeck.
And where are you coming from?
I'm working at the university as an advisor on equal opportunity.
Nice to meet you. And what's your name?
My name is Guri, and I'm the youth coordinator at the Office of International Relations at this university.
Nice to meet you too, and thank you very much for coming. We would like to ask about your comment. How was the activity today? How's the dance? How's the song? How's the food? How's the circumstances? Basically that. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it was wonderful, very good. I didn't know so much about the Indonesian culture before.
Yeah.
So it's
Is this
wonderful.
the first time?
Yeah, it's the first time. So I thought the dance was great. It was a beautiful song and very good climate, what do you call it? It was a very good stemning. Atmosphere was very good, yeah.
Okay.
And the food was excellent. Very good. We have been eating a lot.
That will be our pleasure to hear that. And what do you think about that, Grace?
Yeah, it's also my first time to come from cultural evening, and I've never visited your country. So it was very interesting, and perhaps one of the things I will remember was the film about the wildlife,
Oh, thank you.
because I'm a biologist.
Okay.
So I was very impressed by the diversity,
Yeah.
and also that you have so many endemic species.
Yeah.
And as for your singing and dancing, I'm very impressed because I mean your students, Norwegian students are not that good in performing cultural.
But we can prove something at least for this evening, isn't it?
Yes, of course.
That's really
Excellent.
nice. And do you think that this is a good way for Indonesian to try to inform to others about our culture, about our country? Do you think this is a good way, or how is it like that? What do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, I think so. Because there's a very big variety in the program, and yeah, I can't think of anything else that would be better.
And what do you
Yeah,
think?
for me it makes me want to go to Indonesia.
Yeah,
Oh,
me
that's
too.
really nice.
Yes, it is.
So it's kind of like an attraction.
Yes.
You want to see it, you want to feel it of Indonesia. That's really nice. And do you have any kind of suggestion or any kind of positive response so that we could more do other performances better in the future? Do you have any suggestion?
I don't think you could do any better now.
I don't think so. No.
No. But I think it's a very good idea to invite students and lecturers and other staff at the university. And say we can bring our friends. And you know, I was bringing a friend from, or a guest researcher from Tanzania. He didn't know about this.
Okay.
And he is a professor in performing arts.
Alright.
So he was
Astonishing like that. You was just keep concentrating on what was happening like that.
yeah, really enjoyed it.
Oh, that's really lovely. Yeah. So it's really nice to hear all about the comments, and once again, thank you very much for coming, and I wish you enjoy for the rest of the day.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks for inviting me.
Ingin tahu komentar dari para peserta kita yang ikut terlibat dalam IJD.
Sudah kelihatan itu.
Oh, programnya bagus banget karena dari yang saya ngobrol sama teman-teman di sini yang tamu-tamu di sini mereka sangat suka bahwa Indonesia kaya akan budaya dan mereka juga udah jadi banyak tahu nanya segala hal tentang orang di Indonesia. Mereka juga sangat surprise bahwa
Jarang-jarang loh sama patung Bali.
banyak sekali student dan orang Indonesia di Norway.
Ya, kalau kita lihat ini penampilannya seperti tadi.
Alah, gelasnya mas.
Penampilannya seperti Lea Bali ya. Masih ada kenapa tuh Lea Bali?
Kalau kan gelas.
Yang menyumbang orang Indonesia.
Terima kasih ya.
Oke, bye-bye.
Untuk pengunjung dari Oslo. Oke, ini pengunjung dari Oslo.
Ini bisa di-vlog.
Oslo, gimana komentar Anda tentang
Minum dulu.
nama dulu, nama.
Orang keren banget dah pokoknya. Kalau habis.
Peteronennya atau cowoknya?
Kayaknya dong.
Gitarisnya tuh siapa ya? Gitarisnya nggak?
Gitarisnya untuk bawa acara ya. Gaya. Tadi nggak kena gambar.
Para pemirsa dimanapun, kali ini saya akan mewawancarai orang yang di belakang layar yang ikut mensukseskan acara IJD. Baik, ini
Di belakang layar kan tidak kelihatan.
Ibu Dita dan Ibu Dini kasih komentar bagaimana suka duka Anda terlibat dalam persiapan sampai sekarang, kesan Anda gimana? Silakan.
Nggak ada koin.
Gak ada uang kecil mas.
Monggo. Apa kesan Anda di akhir?
6 koin, Nek. 6 koin.
Bisa berbahasa Indonesia?
6 koin.
I have no return.
Baik, Trondheim dan Norway, dua orang ini adalah dua orang yang telah menyumbang begitu banyak perannya dalam suksesnya acara ini, khususnya dalam hal makanan. Ya, wajahnya kan seperti makanan ya. Oke, terima kasih. Satu lagi orang di belakang layar yang ikut menyumbang suksesnya acara ini, khususnya dalam hal penyediaan makanan. Bagaimana Mbak? Komentar acara kita Mbak?
Ya, saya merasa senang juga dapat menghadiri acara ini dengan sukses. Terima kasih.
Persiapannya berapa hari Mbak? Menyiapkan ini semua?
Persiapannya sampai 2-3 hari.
2-3 hari?
Iya.
Berapa ayam yang harus dibakar?
Itu ayam bukan saya yang bikin, itu ayam Sandy yang bikin dengan dinau